So for this problem, we have a graph of a function, which is f of x, and then we have a function that we can calculate, which is the derivative f prime of x, which talks about the rate of change of the function as it goes along instead of the actual x and y values of that function. So if we take the x values given in our problems at x equals 0, we look for the f value in this case of x equals 0, so 0 question mark. This being the y value, this being the x value, f of x. And we would look and see that it is 0. So that point is 0, 0, therefore f is 0 at x equals 0. Doing the same thing for 0.5, we look where the y value is at 0.5, and it is negative 2. Doing the same thing for 2, at x equals 2, y equals 0 again. So now we get into the derivative. And so at x equals 0, we look for the rate of change at that point of the slope of the function. So we would do that by determining whether or not the slope is positive, negative, or 0 at that point. So if we look, the graph is decreasing, going down as it approaches 0, and the same thing as it passes 0. Therefore, it is going to be negative at x equals 0 for the f prime function, which is the derivative. Doing the same thing for at x equals 0.5, we look and see that the slope would be increasing at that point. Therefore, it would be positive. At x equals 2, doing the same thing, we see that the slope is negative as it crosses through that point in the graph. Therefore, it is negative. And that is how you solve this problem.